बॉलीवुड को ड्रेस अप करना किसने सिखाया? Who glammed up Priyanka Chopra? Who made Aishwarya Rai look so gorgeous in Devdas and Jodha? Well, it's none other than Neeta Lulla. Let's start high tea with me, Simi Chando.
Must watch. It's hot.
When did you meet Aishwarya Rai the first time?
यश जी कॉल्ड मी एंड सेड एक नई लड़की की स्क्रीन टेस्ट लेनी है, हमारे पास जितने भी कपड़े हैं निकालो.
For many years in a row, she was wearing your outfits and then such sharp criticism. How do you deal with it?
I'm not the only one who faced the criticism.
Everyone.
Even Armani faced it.
Yes.
Even Roberto Cavalli faced the criticism.
बॉलीवुड इज अ लोनली प्लेस. जो बात हीरोइंस अपने पेरेंट्स से नहीं कर पाती थी वो शायद डिजाइनर से करती थी.
It kind of comes in from here and stays here.
You can make scandalous clothes but not stories. Hi Neeta, welcome to High Tea.
Hi Simi, thank you so much.
तो नीता, आई थिंक हमारे व्यूअर्स को आपकी इंट्रोडक्शन तो मिल ही गई है. वैसे भी आप काफ़ी फेमस हैं, लेकिन ये काफ़ी स्ट्रेंज कोइंसिडेंस है कि जितनी भी हमारी टॉप हीरोइंस हैं सबकी पहली फिल्म में आप ही ने उनको ड्रेसअप किया है. आप ही उनको इनिशिएट करती हैं बॉलीवुड में.
मेरे ख्याल से सिमी बिकॉज मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में तकरीबन 30वां साल होगा शायद. जब मैं इंडस्ट्री में आई थी, इंडस्ट्री का नॉर्म था कि काफ़ी सारे डिज़ाइनर्स थे, लेकिन आई वॉज अ न्यू एज डिज़ाइनर एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम. और जितने भी नई लड़कियां आ रही थी तो the directors would approach me to kind of groom them and to style them in the films.
सिर्फ एक्ट्रेसेस ही नहीं, you have designed for our heroes as well as our heroines.
Yes, I have, from Chintu ji, Sanjay Dutt, Anil ji, to a whole lot of actors as well. I guess I've had the good fortune to work with over 90 actors in the industry, so thank God for that.
And over 300 films.
Over 300 films.
नीता, पहले जब डिज़ाइनर्स डिज़ाइन करते थे कपड़े, वो हीरोइंस के बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स भी होते थे, मेंटोर्स भी होते थे. इनफैक्ट जो बात हीरोइंस अपने पेरेंट्स से नहीं कर पाती थी वो शायद डिज़ाइनर्स से करती थी. वुड यू शेयर सम ऑफ योर thoughts here and your stories here?
Yes, when you are in this kind of a field, it is a place where it's very lonely, and especially when you're on the top, it's a lonely place on top. The closest kin to you is your designer or your hairstylist or your makeup artist, and as designers we share a lot with the actors, and it kind of comes in from here and stays here, and that's how you kind of have that goodwill and that relationship. I think it's a very personal thing for me. It's a bond that I share with my actors, and I wouldn't kind of reveal a lot of things about them. And I think even used to tease me कि तेरी तो मुँह खुलती नहीं.
Because कई बार हमें बहुत सारी scoops मिलती थी usually designers से.
Yes.
But yes, we never got anything out of you, Neeta.
Although I can write a book, I can write a thesis, you know, on each and every.
I don't think you're ever gonna do
Yeah,
that.
but I won't do that.
No, you're very
yes.
boring when it comes to giving out scoops. Sorry. You're just very nice and bright and very fascinating, and you can make scandalous clothes but not stories.
Sorry, Simi.
अभी हम कई बार पढ़ते हैं, सुनते हैं that stars, they are pretty dominating sometimes. They do have a say, and they have insecurities where a heroine will say, okay, you cannot design for my rival. Have you been through any such incidents, any such kind of, you know, awkward situations in your life?
I think I've been through this right from the word go. So it's
Because
not
यहाँ
like
पर
it's
stars
never
की भी
happened.
insecurities होती हैं, designers की भी insecurities होती हैं.
सालों से चला आ रहा है. I think every designer has gone through this, and every actor has gone through this, because obviously when you're going up there, you know, it's a ride that you aspire to be on, and when you're coming down, it's a ride that you don't want to take, and you want to keep pushing the ride back up, which is difficult, you know, and then it creates insecurities, it creates kind of rivalries.
कई बार ये भी होता है, जैसे कि Aishwarya Rai, for many years in a row, she was wearing your outfits that were created by you to Cannes, and कई बार ये भी होता है कि criticism भी मिलता है कि oh, what was Aishwarya Rai wearing at Cannes, and this is every designer's nightmare, and I think nobody escapes it, and it happened to Aishwarya Rai and you. तो जब इतने प्यार से कोई कपड़े बनाए and then you just get like such sharp criticism, how do you deal with it?
I knew this question was coming. I wouldn't be saved of this question. Yeah, you deal with it, you take it with a pinch of salt, and you know what you've done and you know how you've worked on it. I'm not the only one who faced the criticism.
Everyone.
Even Armani faced it.
Yes.
Even Roberto Cavalli faced the criticism. I guess the good thing that happened with my criticism was every actor started taking their stylists and their designers to Cannes and seeing that the entire look is perfect.
So you're responsible for a lot of free trips that people are getting right now, Neeta.
And today, yes, every time there is Cannes that's happening,
Somebody's getting canned.
everybody is calling me to ask me, and I've become the style guru, official style guru of Cannes. So yeah, everything has their positive and negative, but I think on a serious note, I think we all go through this and it's just part of our work. And all I have to say is that yes, I got the Big Bass for Cannes, but I was the one who designed her bridal outfits as well, and I'm the one who designed Devdas and Jodha Akbar, so there you go.
She continued wearing your clothes even after that.
Absolutely.
आपने क्या चेंजेस देखे हैं बॉलीवुड में डिजाइनर्स और स्टार्स को लेकर?
जब मैं इंडस्ट्री में एज अ न्यू एंट्रांट आई थी तो देयर वाज अ कंप्लीट कनेक्ट. जब मैंने काम शुरू किया तो आई स्टार्टेड विद जूही चावला एंड श्रीदेवी. जूही चावला वाज अ बडिंग एक्ट्रेस, श्रीदेवी वाज द दीवा, एंड ऐसे नहीं लगता था कि यू नो यू आर स्पीकिंग टू एन एक्टर, बिकॉज वो साथ में बैठती थी और हम साथ में खाना खाते थे, बात करते थे, एंड बट एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ इट वाज नॉट ओनली अबाउट वर्क. उस एस्पेक्ट को लेके डिज़ाइनिंग बहुत आसान हो जाती थी बिकॉज यू न्यू द पर्सन. अब ऐसे हो गया है कि यू हैव टू डिस्टिंक्टिव प्रोफाइल्स ऑफ फैशन. एक है स्टाइलिस्ट, पर्सनल स्टाइलिस्ट, और एक है डिज़ाइनर्स. एक्टर्स आज की तारीख में स्टाइलिस्ट से काम करते हैं, एंड दी स्टाइलिस्ट कम एंड पिक अप क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम डिज़ाइनर्स, एंड इसको लेके यू आर ऑलवेज लिमिटेड टू द चॉइस ऑफ द स्टाइलिस्ट.
क्योंकि बीच में एक मीडियम आ गया है स्टाइलिस्ट का, तो जो वो एक डायरेक्ट एक्सेस, जो एक डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट था, दैट हैज गॉन अवे.
सो you have to adhere to the sensibilities of the stylist
or the lack of them.
I think it is a pro and con for both of them. So you needed to know your job, you needed to know figure types, you needed to know everything. But today it's about having your look and your styles, and there's someone who's picking it up and working with it. And so much so that earlier there was no access to brands. So everything was something that a designer would decide and create. In fact, the kind of work that I used to do, I mean, you've seen it, Simi, was monstrous because we didn't have a Dolce Gabbana or an Armani or anything. If there is a shoot for Sridevi, 4 outfits have to be made. So it was completely on the fact that ye banao, ye chapo kind of a scenario. It is something that we didn't have access to, but today if you're not going to a Nita Lula, you're going to an Armani, you're going to a Dolce Gabbana, you're going to Christian Louboutin for shoes. Everything is at close quarters. So I guess the world's become pretty small, and the avenues and access has become very close.
Neeta, आप बोल रही हैं कि the world has become very small. Do you think that the world has become less creative? Making clothes, which was part of Bollywood designing, has been replaced by just traveling abroad and buying Gucci's and Pradas and what have you.
जहाँ तक सवाल है measurements, I still take measurements myself, Sumi. It's become a habit.
See?
And yeah, I mean, you know, it has become about sourcing today for a look or a style of a film. I think जो niche है एक वो niche create हो रही है. A lot of people who don't know a lot about styling and still are in the industry as stylists, because then it becomes very easy to kind of just pick and select and go through magazines, see what is the look that you should be emulating, and you know, copying that on somebody. Fluke से बन गया तो अच्छा है, नहीं बना तो you know.
What about Kareena Kapoor?
She was like this little one that we completely doted on.
Kareena used to always be around on the set.
She was
like the
always
little
around.
brat on the set. नीता, आपने जूही चावला, श्रीदेवी, ऐश्वर्या राय, करीना कपूर, प्रियंका चोपड़ा सभी के लिए डिजाइनिंग की है. Tell us your first impression when you met Priyanka Chopra.
When I met Priyanka Chopra for the first time, it was in New York, and she had just won the Miss World title. I think it was about 12 to 15 years back. She was this slim, svelte beauty that was very attractive and stood out from the crowd. And the next thing, when we came back a couple of months later, I think Mr. Bukadia, Casey Bukadia called me and said, "हमने नई लड़की चुनी है and we want you to do the clothes for her." And I met Priyanka again and I styled for her. So I would say, you know, with the grace of God, all these girls I've seen from the first instance when they really didn't even take their first shot, and so went for Aishwarya. And yeah.
When did you meet Aishwarya Rai the first time?
Aishwarya, I met her just before she was going for the Miss World pageant, and I had just completed Dar. Yash ji called me and said, "मुझे एक नई लड़की की screen test लेनी है."
Yash Chopra.
Yes, and I said, "Okay, Yash ji, I'm coming." So he says, हमारे पास जितने भी कपड़े हैं निकालो और देखो क्या you know what character we can put her into, and बहुत सुंदर लड़की है and I would really like to take her in my film. And when I met her, we just hit it off instantly, and I dressed her up in one of the white outfits, and she gave her screen test. And
Was it some Chandni outfit that was lying
no,
there?
it was a Dar outfit.
Ah.
And she gave her
So which
screen
was the
test.
Dar outfit that Aishwarya Rai wore for
I
the
really
screen
don't
test?
remember Simi right now, but I'm sure the screen test will definitely be there in the Yash Raj office though. So that's how I met her. And then, then there was no looking back to the relationship where she asked me to do her film, a South Indian film, which was her second film, which was Jeans, and Aab Laut Chale, where I did a couple of outfits, yeah.
What about Kareena Kapoor?
When I met her, I was then working with Karishma, and Karishma kind of mentioned to me, and I'd met Kareena also, that, you know, Kareena is going to be in films, and Babita auntie said, you must do her clothes. And yeah, I started doing her clothes there, and at that point in time, she was this cute little chubby girl who was just about getting into films, and I started working with her on her film and her clothes. So she was like this little one that we completely doted on.
Yes, and when you must have been designing for Charisma, Kareena used to always be around on the set.
She was
like the
always
little
around.
brat on the set. Because even I remember that. And then suddenly overnight, she was this beautiful heroine.
Yeah, and she's come a long, long way till today. But I must say they kind of meet you with complete humility, and like nothing has ever changed. And that's the kind of rapport we built with our actors.
When you look back at Aishwarya Rai, or you look back at Kareena, Charisma, and Priyanka, what is the change that you notice in them?
I think everybody knows what they like to wear and how they look in what they wear. I don't think their personal styling or style statement changes, but with the change in fashion, the look of what they wear changes, but they create their own style statement which they are comfortable with within those parameters.
नीता, आप खुद तो सक्सेसफुल बॉलीवुड डिजाइनर हैं ही. आपकी डॉटर भी निष्का लुल्ला is a name to reckon with among the young designers. So is it genes or is it anything else that makes Nishka such a popular designer today?
I think it's a very careful combination of genes and effort and education. She worked with me as an intern for almost 2 years on various films. She did 5 or 6 films with me as an assistant designer, and then came up to handle the store, and today she is her own brand.
आप लीडिंग स्कूल्स में सिखाती हैं, एंड अब तो सुभाष घाई के साथ आपने फैशन स्कूल खोला है.
I have opened a college of my own where I'm teaching the same thing, that you should understand your capabilities and your expertise and follow that. That we teach our students a whole load of things except to understand what their creative talent is towards. Even if you're getting clothes ready, brands milte hain, so how do I pick up the right thing? What is the figure type that will look good in what I'm selecting? ये सब चीज़ों को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है, and I think yes, we need to educate our youth towards that.
Right now, how about we take our viewers through your store? We take them to your store, and आप थोड़े से tips हमारे viewers को भी दे दें.
Sure.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Rajni sir has been the most inspiring. Actually speaking, Rajni sir didn't need clothes in this film.
कपड़े ही नहीं
पूरी
है.
पिक्चर में कपड़े नहीं है.
तो अगर कपड़े नहीं है तो फिर आप कपड़े कैसे डिजाइन कर रही हैं इस पिक्चर के लिए? Sunita, here we are at your store. हमारे viewers ये part तो बहुत ही ध्यान से देख रहे होंगे. Why don't you take us through your latest collection?
The collection that we are standing with right now is my Spring Summer 14 collection. This is the Badla work, which is done completely in Zardozi.
नीता, आपने हमारे लीडिंग हीरोज के लिए भी डिज़ाइन किया है, जैसे कि रजनीकांत, आमिर खान, ऋतिक रोशन, शाहरुख खान. Anybody who's been the most inspiring or the toughest?
Rajni sir has been the most inspiring because you really, you've arrived when you worked with him.
तो ये जो कोचिडियन में एक गाना है जिसके लिए 6 करोड़ रुपया खर्चा गया है.
Actually speaking, Rajni sir didn't need clothes in this film. There are no
6 करोड़ के
clothes.
गाने में कपड़े हैं या नहीं?
नहीं.
कपड़े ही नहीं
पूरी
है.
पिक्चर में कपड़े नहीं है.
तो अगर कपड़े नहीं है तो फिर आप कपड़े कैसे डिजाइन कर रही हैं इस पिक्चर के लिए?
This project, Simi, is photorealistic motion picture capture, and you need to actually sketch each and every detail.
तो नीता, अब बारी है हमारे व्यूअर्स की, उनको भी हम अटेंशन दे दे थोड़ी सी. Any quick tips for our young boys?
I think this is the new age of color. Keep your styles very classic.
So guys needn't be shy of colors, but don't go overboard. And some of our viewers watching right now are overweight. What's the best thing they can do for their wardrobe?
Play with single color tones like deep colors like maroons or blacks or blues, and keep your styles very simple, elegant and A-line.
What if some of the girls watching the show right now are not very tall and happen to be really short?
Play with bright colors on the top portion of your body. Play with vertical stripes. Stripes are in, and have fun wearing any kind of style that you like.
You got it. हेमा मालिनी कह रही हैं, at this age, Neeta Lola has taught me how to drape a sari. तो अब हमारे viewers आपकी साड़ी drape को ना देखें तो this won't be fair. So how about showing one of your magic drapes to our viewers?
Okay, this is highly embarrassing because the diva of style sari draping had to say this. I mean,
She did.
That's... Okay.
So here is Neeta, जिनसे बॉलीवुड की सभी टॉप हीरोइन साड़ी बांधना सीखती हैं. अब मैंने सीख ली, आपने सीख लिया. And thank you so much, Neeta, for draping this beautiful sari on me, Bollywood style. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for letting our Zoom cameras in, and thank you for talking to Heidi. Lovely
you so
spending so
much.
much time with you.